Well, now, folks, way out in East Texas, there's a little place they call Maverick Acres, home to Jeff, Sarah, and Johnny Mabdoo. Some say outlaw, others say hero, too. Maverick Acres running free and wild, East Texas heart with a country smile. Working hard, fishing lines at dawn, hunt and grow what they eat from the backyard at home, from the piney woods straight to your phone. Bought me a Ford in the piney woods, strong as an ox and it runs like it should. 4 doors wide and the diesel loud. She'll pull a heavy load and still stand proud. I've hauled big trucks and I've hauled cars, dragged them out of ditches and the roadside bars. Winch line tied and the mud knee deep, that East Texas Ford don't know defeat. She's hauled heavy timber and a load of stone, brought busted down tractors back to home, through the ruts and the rains and the red dirt roads that Ford was built to shoulder the load. Rust on the bed but the frame's still true, a lifetime of working that steel and blue. From fence line post to a stack of hay, she's earned her keep most every day. Took my boy fishing by the muddy creek, we caught a big cat in the boat last week. With the headlights shining and the crickets sing, that Ford keeps rolling through everything. I've seen sunrise through the windshield glass, miles behind me but more to pass. Long as these pines guard this land I roam, that East Texas Ford will carry me home. From sun up work till the daylight's gone, that Ford keeps steady and rolling strong. When my story's told, let the truth be known, I rode that Ford till the good Lord called me home.
That's how you do that. Firewall, touch no wiring, and sitting down on the motor mounts. Where it goes. Fun.